Namaste to all. This is maths class for grade 6, right? Okay, so already நம்ம last class எது வரைக்கும் பார்த்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா that is exercise 2.1 up to the question number 5. So we are already completed. Then next question number 6 onwards இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். Question number 6 first question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, compare and put greater than or less than or equal to in the following questions. So first of all, that is 800 gram plus 150 gram and also compare, that is 1 kilogram. So we have to compare that. So solution எப்படின்னு பண்ணிக்கலாம், இதை ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். So add பண்ணா then we have left hand side and right hand side, but also we can compare that which one is a greater or less than or whether it is equal. So first of all, what is the summation value? 800 plus 150, that is 950 gram, and here 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram means we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, right? 1000 gram. So that's it here, 1000 gram. So here also gram, here also gram. So from that initial class, beginning le நம்ம சொல்லிருக்கோம், compare பண்றப்போ or addition or subtraction whatever, first of all we must consider as a same unit. Here also gram, here also gram. Not only we can add or subtract or we can compare them. See, then here 1000, here 950. So which one is the greatest one? 1000 gram. So the first one is okay, less than symbol போட்டுக்கோங்க. Second question, that is 600 milliliter plus 400 milliliter is dash for 1 liter. So இங்கே compare பண்ண போறோம். So that is 600 milliliter plus 400 milliliter. Units are same, so we can add 600 plus 400 total 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So here milliliter, so convert this liter into milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So which one is greatest one? Both are equal because here also 1000, here also 1000. So both are milliliter. So it is equal. Okay, so it is equal. Okay, then third one. Third one is 6 meter 25 centimeter, which is dash 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Okay, so here we have a meter and centimeter, but here centimeter and centimeter. So units இங்க சேமா இருக்கு. So இத நம்ம எப்படி ஈஸியா கம்பேர் பண்றது பாருங்க. மீட்டர் இருக்கு, இங்க 600 சென்டிமீட்டர். So hundreds வந்திருக்கு. 100 centimeter means that is equal to 1 meter. Like that, 100 centimeter means 1 meter. 200 centimeter means 2 meter. Like that, 600 centimeter means 6 meter. So 6 meter 25 centimeter is the same, and also here 600 means that is 6 meter. 100 equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter equal to, so already 1 meter equal to, that is a 100 centimeter. 2 meter அப்படினா 200, 3 meter na 300. Like that, 6 meter means 600 centimeter. So 600 centimeter means what is the meaning? 6 meter. And also the rest of the value 25 centimeter. Okay, so now compare the right hand side and left hand side. 6 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 25 centimeter. So we have a final conclusion, that is both are equal. Both are equal. That's all. Then fourth one. Right, so next question number 4. The question is 88 centimeter, and also right hand side 8 meter 8 centimeter. So now the solution is here meter. Here we have fully centimeter in terms of centimeter. So convert this side also fully in terms of centimeter. So here it is 88 centimeter. It's a fixed one. Okay. Then right side 8 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 8 meter means 8 into 100 centimeter. That is called 800 centimeter. 8 into 100, that is 800 centimeter. So 800 centimeter plus, this is 800 centimeter plus 8 meter. 800 plus 8, that is 808 centimeter. Okay. So here which one is, see the units are same, centimeter and centimeter. Both are same units. So which one is the greatest one? 800 is the greatest one. Okay. The last one, fifth one. Fifth one is the 55 gram. 55 gram and dash. So 550 milligram. So the solution, milligram here gram. So greatest unit to the smallest unit convert pannadhu, it's the easiest one, right? Like this, 1 meter, greatest one. Centimeter is the smallest one. 1 meter is centimeter convert pannona 100. 8 meter is centimeter convert pannona into 100. So simple. Same like that. Here 1 gram equal to how many milligram? That is 1000. 1 gram means 1000 gram. Like that, 55 gram means 55 into 1000 milligram is, another one is 550 milligram. So here the multiplication answer 55,000 milligram. It is the another side 550 milligram. So here which one is the greatest value? It is the left hand side. Okay, so that is the greatest value because 55,000. Okay, right. The next question number 7. Question number 7. Geeta bought 2 liter and 250 milliliter of water in a bottle. Her friend drank 300 milliliter from it. How much of water is remaining in the bottle? So question padikarappa, it's a simple sentence, so we can understand the meaning. So Geeta evlo liter of water vaanguraanga bottle, it's a 2 liter and 250 milliliter. 2 liter and 250 milliliter. And also friend evlo kudichiranga, her friend drank 300 milliliter from it. So from this total idhula irundha 300 enna panniranga milliliter kudichiranga. Okay, so drank means that is took that. And how much of water is remaining in the bottle? So remaining find pannom appadina total irundha minus pannita simple. Okay, so already we have how much we have water in the bottle and also how much drank the water, that is minus. Okay, so already minus panna finally we will get the answer. So the solution is, first of all we have 2 units, that is a liter and a milliliter. So I am going to write in separately liter and milliliter. So idhula first of all 2 liter and how much milliliter? 250 milliliter. Okay, so evlo minus pananu 300. So write in the second one, that is also milliliter. So here 3, there is no more liter, minus. Okay, so first order eludhikonga, right panikonga, liter and milliliter rendu unit irukku. So adala liter first greatest one, milliliter is the second one. So adala eludhikom first 2 liter and 250 milliliter there, and how much drank? 300. So 300 we wrote it. Now subtraction. So generally namukku already subtraction theriyum. Here we want the greatest number, after only we can subtract that. Okay, 7 minus 5. Here it is the greatest number, here smallest number means we can subtract easily. 7 minus 5 answer is 2. Suppose here 5 here 7, 15, 7. How can we subtract? We can't. So at the time we will get the borrows. So we can apply that same concept in this question. So here we can get a borrow from there. So reduce here 1, remaining 1. That 1 is going to here. That 1 liter is going to here. That is a 1000 milliliter. இங்கே 1 பாரோ கொடுக்குறோம். பட் அந்த 1 பாரோ எப்படி நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும்? This is a liter. இந்த லிட்டர் மில்லி லிட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் ஆகிறப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? 1 liter means that is a 1000 milliliter. So we can add here 1000 plus 250, that is 1250 milliliter. So we can strike out here and also write 1250 milliliter. புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா? So first of all என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? பாரோ வாங்கிட்டோம். So பாரோ வாங்கினப்ப now we have a greatest value subtracted. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0, that is 5. Then here 2, here 3. We can't. So take a borrow, that is already 12. Rest of the number is 12. 12 minus 3, answer is 9. And here borrow actually remaining 1 only is there. So 1 is here. So what is the meaning? 1 liter 950 milliliter. Okay. So the final answer is 1 liter and 950 milliliter. 1 liter 950 milliliter. So that's all. This is the answer. Next question number 8. Next, this is question number 7. Okay. So next question number 8. Pardon. That is point. Question number 8. Tenmuli's height is 1.25 milliliter. Sorry, 1.25 meter. Now she grows 5 centimeter every year. What would be her height after 6 years? So Tenmuliyoda height evlo? The person Tenmuli, their height is 1.25 meter. So approximately assume பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So 1.25 meter அப்படினா each and every year she grows 5 centimeter every year. So the actual height last time height இவ்வளவு இருந்தாங்க. இது 1.25 meter. This is 1.25 meter, but now she grown up 5 centimeter. So already 1.25 meter இருக்காங்க. 1 year அப்ப how much she grows? 5 centimeter. Last time விட 5 centimeter height ஆயிருக்காங்க. Like this process, first year, second year, third year and so on up to after 6 years. 6th years வரப்ப அவங்க என்ன ஹைட்ல இருப்பாங்க? That is a question mark. Okay. So question புரிஞ்சுதா? question அதான் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. What would be her height after 6 years? So 6 years அப்புறமா எவ்வளவு ஹைட் இருப்பாங்க? Right. So the first என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? Okay. So first year 5 centimeter increase ஆயிருப்பாங்க. Second year எவ்வளவு increase ஆயிருப்பாங்க? 5 plus 5 plus 5 second year. Third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year. So then நமக்கு ஷார்ட்டா என்ன சொல்லலாம்? 5 centimeter into 6 years. Yeah, 6 years because they are asking in 6 years, after 6 years. So after 6 years, 6 years over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Over a year kume 5 centimeters increased. So 5 into 6, that is a 30 centimeter increase ஆயிருப்பாங்க டோட்டலா. Actual height விட 30 centimeter increase ஆயிருப்பாங்க. Already we know that what is the actual height? So actual height is what is it? 1.25 meter. This is called what is it? Meter and centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeter and also extra எவ்வளவு வந்திருக்காங்க? 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter. Centimeter representation. So find the addition. 5. 2 plus 3. 5. Here 1. So what is the answer? That is 1 meter 55 centimeter. 1 meter and 55 centimeter. This where represent parla? It is also 1.55 meter. So the represent பண்றப்ப நம்மளுக்கு கரெக்ட்டா புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Decimal point in front of இருக்கிறது meter, decimal point after the value is called centimeter. சரியா? So இங்க நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? 1 meter 55 centimeter அப்படினு அஷ்யூம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so this is the 8th one. Next 9th one. So Priya bought 22.5 kg of onion. Krishna bought 3/4 kg of onion, and Sedu bought 9 kg 250 gram of onion. What is the total weight of onion did they buy? So question number 9 la adha solirukanga paanga. Priya bought 22.5 kg and the second person bought 3/4 kg and third person bought 9 kg 250 gram. Okay, so இப்போ இதெல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க? Find the total weight. Find the total. What is the total weight of onion did they buy? So இவங்களும் வாங்கினா எவ்வளவு total இருக்கும்? So find the total. Total means do the addition. Simply do the addition. Okay, see we have a fraction form, so how can we do that? So we have a problem. So convert this fraction into as a whole form. Half kg means what is the meaning? That is 1 kg means 1000 gram. Half kg means half. 1000 la half அப்படினா 500. So 22 kilogram. Half kg means that is 500 gram. Okay, right. Plus 18 is a kg and 3/4 1000 4 equal parts of curriculum, that is 250 250 250 250. 4 times 250 means that is 1000. அதுல 3 parts மட்டும் இங்க இருக்கு. ஓகேயா? 4 ல 3 parts மட்டும். அப்ப 250 250 250. 3 times 250 means that is 750 gram plus here it is a direct value, so 9 kg and 250 gram. ஓகேங்களா? right. So இப்போ இதெல்லாத்தையுமே ஆட் பண்ண போறோம். ஆட் பண்றப்ப we have a 2 units, that is kilogram, gram, kilogram, gram, kilogram and gram. So first of all kilogram and second one gram. So இதுக்கு நாம total find பண்ண போறோம். Write as per in the order. 22 kg 500 gram, 18 kg 750 gram, 9 kg 250 gram. So here do the addition. So எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்றோம். ஆட் பண்ணா ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்? எழுதுறதுல கரெக்ட்டா இருக்குமா? 22 500 18 750 9 250. Okay, that's fine. So do the addition. Answer is 0 0 remaining 1. Add பண்ணுங்க. 5 plus 1 6 13 15. 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 9 19. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So 49 kilogram 1500 gram. So this is the answer. But இங்க ஒரே ஒரு சின்ன answer correct தான், but this is not the exact correct answer. Why? Because gram means generally நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? 1000 gram means that is called 1 kilogram, right? 1000 gram means that is 1 kilogram, but here more than 1000, no, right? 1000 வந்துட்டாலே அத கிலோகிராம் கொண்டு வந்துடுவோம், but it has a more than 1000, so reduce that 1000. so பாருங்க அத நான் எழுதுறேன். 49 kilogram, this is 1000 plus 500 gram. 1000 gram, 1000 gram is, that is called kilogram, 1 kilogram. so 1000 gram அங்க போய்டும். அப்ப 49 plus 1 kilogram and also remaining 500 gram, that is 50 kilogram and 500 gram. so this is the solution. okayங்களா? so that's all. so as usual நம்ம work out பண்றது தான். இங்க 1000 இருக்கு, அந்த 1000 மட்டும் கிலோகிராமுக்கு கொண்டு வந்திருக்கு, that's all. so 1000 remove பண்ணிக்கலாம். that 1000 means equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. so 49 plus 1, that is 50. 50 kilogram, 1000 minus பண்ணியாச்சு, rest of the value, that is 500. so 500 gram. so 50 kilogram 500 gram. so that is the answer. okay, right. next question number 10. question number 10. Maran walks 1.5 kilometer 1.5 kilometer every day to reach the school, while Magellan walks 1400 meter. 1400 meter. Who walks more distance and by how much? so here who walks more distance? இவங்க 1.5 meter, அவங்க 1400 meter, right? it is a kilometer. 1.5 kilometer, here 1400 meter. so they are given two values. so அப்ப first நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், இங்க கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்கு, இங்க மீட்டர் இருக்கு. so two units கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. ஏற்கனவே ஆல்ரெடி क्वेश्चन நம்பர் 6 அதல தெரியும். what is that? comparisonல both units must be same. okay, so but இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்கு, அங்க மீட்டர் இருக்கு. so அப்ப கிலோமீட்டர்ல இருந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மீட்டரை கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. see we have a two way. மீட்டர்ல இருந்து கிலோமீட்டராவும் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணலாம், கிலோமீட்டர்ல இருந்து மீட்டராவும் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணலாம். so we have a easiest way. what is that? greatest unit இருந்து smallest, because by multiplication. so 1.5, 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. so 1.5 kilometer means 1.5 into 1000 meter. so here it is same. so இப்போ இத ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 3 zeros இருக்கு, அப்ப 3 zeros கம்பல்சரி வரும் with the meter. 3 zeros and also 1 into anything, the same answer, 1 and 5. so normal multiplication. and also decimal point after one digit, same like that, one digit before decimal point. so leave that one. so 1520, here 1420. see now here also meter, here also meter, both are equal, I mean units, both are same, so we can compare. here 1500, 1400, 400 and 500, which one is the greatest one? 500 is the greatest one. okay, so 1500 is the greatest one. so who walks more distance? so the first person, that is 1.5 kilometer person, who's that? Maran. so Maran walks more kilometer. and also the second question is by how much? by how much? okay, so first of all write the answer. Maran walks more distance. And also the question is by how much? How much is difference? எவ்வளோ டிஃபர் ஆகுது ரெண்டு பேருக்கும்? இவங்க 1400. ஸோ அதோட how much is more than the difference? So difference find பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா simple do the subtraction 1500 minus 1400. So the subtraction is here also meter, here also meter. 100 meter. So எவ்வளோ டிஃபர் ஆகுது? That is 100 meter. Okay. So 100 meter is the difference between them. Okay. Next question number 11. So the question number 11 in JRC one day camp 150 gram of rice and 15 milliliter oil are needed for a student. So one student ku 150 gram and how much oil? That is 15 milliliter of oil needed per student. Okay, then second half, if there are 40 students to attend the camp, how much of rice and oils are needed? So the first, this is the rice and second one is the oil. So per student, one student means we want this much. Like that, 2 students means this one into 2, 10 students means this one into 10. So every நம்ம கேஷுவல் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இருக்க ப்ராக்டிக்கல் எக்ஸாம் ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு பென் காஸ்ட் 5 rupees அப்படின்னா 2 பென் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? இன்ட்டு 2 போடுவோம். 5 பென்ஸ் அப்படின்னா இன்ட்டு 5. 20 பென்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் இன்ட்டு 20. லைக் தட் we want per student. ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு 150 gram of rice means 40 students அப்படின்னா we simply do the multiplication 150 gram into 40 and here also 15 milliliter into 40. One student, like the 2 students, 3 students, 4 students and so on up to 40 students. So simply do the multiplication. So ரெண்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க 2 zeros, then 4 into 5 4s are 20, 0 remaining 2, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2 6. So 6000 gram. So 1000 gram அப்படினாலே நமக்கு என்ன வந்துரும்? That is kgs ல வந்துரும் இல்லையா? 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. 2000 gram, that is 2 kg. Like that 6000 gram means it is divided by 1000. So then separate 6000 gram is equal to 6000 by 1000 kilogram. 10 10 10 10 another 0 10. So 6 kilogram. Okay la? So gram la irundhu kilogram convert பண்ணனும் அப்படினா simply do the division. இல்லனா நீங்க டைரக்டா கூட கெஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஆன்சர் என்னது? 1000 means 1 kilogram. 6000 means 6 kilogram. டைரக்டா ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாம். So by the procedure now work out பண்ணிருக்கேன். Okay, 6 kilogram. Same like that. They 1 0, then 5 4s are 20, 0 remaining 2, 1 4s are 4 plus 2 6. So 600 milliliter. So இத லிட்டர்ல denote பண்ணனும் அப்படினா because 600 milliliter in terms of லிட்டர்ல denote பண்ணலாம். எப்படி denote பண்ணலாம்? 1 liter means that is 1000 milliliter. Conversions from milliliter to liter, that means small to higher. Small to higher அப்படினா we just do the division like this. See, small to higher. Small to higher means do the division. So 600 divided by liter க்கு கன்வர்ட் பண்றதனால that is divided by 1000. So 10 10 10 10 remaining 10 இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? 1 digit before decimal point. Okay. So divisionல zeros வந்துச்சுனா numeratorல digits consider பண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு place விட்டுட்டு in front of decimal point. Okay. So the answer is 0.6 liter. So 40 students எவ்வளோ தேவை இருக்கு நம்மளுக்கு 6 kilogram of rice and 0.6 liter of oil is needed for that 40 students. Next question number 12, last question. 12th one, in a school 200 liter of lemon juice is prepared. If 250 milliliter lemon juice is given to each student, how many students get the juice? So assume that our school function 200 liter of juice prepare பண்றாங்க. 200 liter. So liter, okay fine. So liter அப்படினாலே நம்ம அத அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். Next second half என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கேன் क्वेश्चनல, in case each and every students they will get 250 milliliter of juice. 250 milliliter of juice. அப்ப இந்த 200 liter வந்து 250 அப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டே இருப்போம். So like that, how many glasses are available in this 200 liter? So first of all இது மில்லிலிட்டர்ல இருக்கு. So அதனால என்ன பண்ணிக்கோங்க, இந்த லிட்டரையும் மில்லிலிட்டரை கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. We know that what is that 1 liter means that is 1000 milliliter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Like that 200 into 1000 milliliter equal to 1 600 1000 10,000 and lakh. So 2 lakh. Okay. This much of milliliter juice is there. Okay. So if 250 என்ன பண்ண போறோம், 250 we should take equally. Okay. So எப்பவுமே ஜெனரலா இந்த மாதிரி ஈக்குவலா we have to separate that means we have to use the operation division. So here also 2 lakh. Okay, so we don't put the commas. Okay, fine. Then 250. So inga divide panna, how many times 250 is available there in this 200 liter apdi check panikalam. So divide பண்ணுங்க 10 then here 1 5s are 5 5 5s are 25 5 1 is 5 5 4s are 20 remaining 3 zeros. So remaining 3 zeros and also write the remaining 4000 by 5 4000 by 5 again divide பண்ணுங்க 1 5s are 5 5 8s are 40 remaining 2 zeros divide பண்ணா அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. Okay. So what is the final answer? That is 800.